Hello everyone, my name is M. Shashank of grade 10B from Pallavi Model School, Boduppal, Hyderabad, Telangana. Today I'm going to tell you all some interesting fun facts and many more interesting things about soil. So let's unlock the secrets in soil. First, we are going to see what is soil and the importance of soil for living organisms, the uses of soil in daily life, then what are the causes of soil pollution, then preventive measures, and what are the effects of soil pollution on our planet. Did you know that soil is a thin layer of material covering the earth's surface and is formed from the weathering of rocks? It is made up of mainly of mineral particles, organic materials, air, water and living organisms, all of which interact slowly yet constantly. Soil is very important for all our living beings and for the planet Earth also. So without soil there is no life on the planet Earth only. Land is not merely soil, it is a fountain of energy flowing through a circuit of soils, plants, and animals. Now let's try to understand what is actually soil. The upper layer of earth in which plants grow, a black or dark brown material typically consisting of a mixture of organic remains, clay, and rock particles, is called as soil. Now let's try to understand how the soil is formed on a planet. The evolution of soils and their properties is called as soil formation, and petrologists have identified five fundamental soil formation processes that influence soil properties. These five state factors are parent material, topography, climate, organisms, and time. The first step which involves in the formation of soil is additions. Materials added to the soil such as decomposing vegetation and organisms or new mineral materials deposited by wind or water. Then it comes topography. Through the movement of wind or water or uptake by plants, soil particles or chemical compounds can be eroded, leached or harvested from the soil, altering the chemical and physical makeup of the soil. Transformations. The chemical weathering of sand and formation of clay minerals, transformation of coarse material decay-resistant organic compounds called as humus. Translocations. Movement of soil constituents within the profile or between the horizons. Over time, this process is one of the most visibly noticeable as alternations in color, texture, and structure become apparent. This picture depicts the fertility of the soil and how the soil is actually formed on our planet. Soil horizons. Organic layer, topsoil, minerals with humus, alluviations layer, leached minerals and organic matter, subsoil, deposited minerals and metal salts, then parent rock, partly weathered rock, bedrock, unweathered parent rock. Soil is very important for all the living organisms on our planet and especially plants. Soil is an important element essential for the survival of living organisms. The soil dissolves the mineral and the nutrients in the water and transport into the different parts of the plant. These are essential for the growth and the development of the plant. The fertile soil helps in the growth and the development of the plants. The plants thus produced are healthy and provide food, clothing, furniture, and medicines. It supports many life forms including bacteria, fungi, algae, etc. These microbes in turn maintain environmental balance by retaining the moisture and decaying the dead organisms. The most important thing is the third point that which states that the third topsoil supports certain life activities such as reproduction, hatching, nesting, breeding, etc., or of a few organisms. The organic material present in the soil increases the fertility of the soil, which is responsible for the growth of the plants. It also contains certain minerals and elements that are necessary for the plants to carry out their cellular activities. One of the most important concepts that we have to learn is about the soil pollution on our planet. The soil is the greatest connector of all our lives, the source and the destination of all. Soil pollution is defined as the presence of toxic chemicals, pollutants, or contaminants in soil in high enough concentrations to pose a risk to human health or the society or the ecosystem. Now, let us see what are the main causes of soil pollution. Challenges. The land soil pollution perspective. Agriculture soil pollution is caused due to the excessive use of pesticides, fertilizers, and insecticides. And soil pollution by industrial discharges of chemicals from the mining and manufacturing industries of goods. Solid waste soil pollution, poor management of insufficient disposal of waste. Soil pollution due to urban activities and many effects of soil pollution on human health. It is very, very important to control the soil pollution, otherwise, we all will die. So, it is very important to know what will be the effects of pollution on our human health as well. So, the contamination of soil has a major consequence on human health. Crops and plants that are grown on polluted soil absorb most of the pollution and then pass them to humans. Living, working, or playing in contaminated soil can lead to respiratory diseases, skin diseases, and other health problems. Diseases caused by the soil pollution include the irritation of the skin and eyes, then headaches, then nausea, then vomiting, coughing, then pain in the chest and wheezing, and many other problems that we face in our life will be because of soil pollution. So it is our duty to control the soil. We have to save the soil on our planet. If we go on doing all these things, that is throwing the waste into the soil, then many other things, then we have to face many other uncertain situations. So what will be the effects of soil pollution on plants? Fungi and bacteria found in the soil that bind them together start to decline, which creates an additional problem in the soil erosion. Use of chemical fertilizers, inorganic fertilizers, pesticides will decrease the fertility of the soil and alter the structure of the soil. This will lead to a decrease in the soil quality and poor quality of the crops. The fertility of the soil diminishes slowly, making land unsuitable for agriculture and any local vegetation to survive. So, how can we actually control this devastating situation that is happening on our planet Earth? So, the possible solutions to control soil pollution on our planet are reduced use of chemical fertilizers from all industries, factories, or manufacturing goods, and we have to not throw these chemicals into the soil, into the land, or anywhere. We should not throw them into the air or water or any other bodies, because they also cause air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, many other causes. And we have to recycle and reuse the products. As you all know, plastic is one of the most important things that also causes the soil pollution. We are throwing the plastic into the soils, which will take millions of years to decompose and will not form the humans as well. And this is the main cause, and animals are eating these plastics and they are dying, and so we have to actually reuse all the plastics that are present on our planet. Then reforestation and afforestation should be promoted. That means we have to plant more and more trees so that we can control the soil pollution. The fourth point is promote use of natural manure. So instead of using the chemical fertilizers and pesticides and insecticides in our agricultural farms, we have to use the natural manures like cow dung cakes and many other things, so that will not pollute the soil and so that everyone can live happily on our planet. Thank you everyone. This is M. Shashank of class 10 from Pallavi Model School, Bodupal, Hyderabad, Telangana. Thank you.